morning, guys. I am at the airport already. We've gone through security. We're just waiting at our gate now. So excited to go to Jamaica. We're just waiting to board our flight right now. So here we go.
It's our pleasure to welcome you to Montego Bay, where the local time is 3:04.
Alright, we made it to our room. Are you guys ready for this view? It's so exciting! Okay, look behind me. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? It's so beautiful. Okay, it's raining a little bit, but who cares? We're freaking in Jamaica. We're on a high floor, which is awesome because then we get a view. Okay, quick room tour. When you walk in from the door, there's a cute little bathroom. Ooh, hairdryer, awesome. And you walk in and we have a fridge here, which is awesome for leftovers. And we both each have a bed because usually we have to share one. We have a little closet and a safe, some storage, TV, full-length mirror, yes. And the view, which you guys just saw, but we had to jump to first. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Say hi. Say hi.
What's
He
up?
just brought our bags up.
We're in Jamaica.
We're in Jamaica.
Jamaica. Nothing but fun.
What's your name?
Sean.
Sean. Nice to meet you, Sean.
Likewise, ladies.
So when I get into a hotel, I like to move into it. So I put all of my clothes into the closet. I have my purse. Oh, there's an ironing board. And then I just tuck away my suitcase for the week. And then I've plugged in my chargers here and here. And then I like to move into the drawers, it's just easier. So I've packed all my stuff in this little drawer. So these are all like my products and just easily accessible things. And then in this drawer, I put my like clothes and stuff like that. So it just makes it a lot easier for the week that I'm staying here. Look at this, guys. Jamaican rum. I'm interested to see what that tastes like. Anyways, so I'm all moved in. Okay, we just walked over to my parents' suite and look at their view. Oh my gosh. Get the best of both worlds. Oh, it's so pretty down there. Look at how big their balcony is. They have like a suite one, so they have a bunch of rooms. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so when you walk in this front door, here's their suite. There's my brother. So he's on the couch, like the pull-out couch here, and that's part of the balcony. A little dark, but here's like a drink. Maybe this is the light. Drink station and a sink. And then you come in here, here's another random sink and a bathroom. This is, I think, I don't know, you guys all use that. And then this is my parents' bedroom. Dad, say hi.
Hey, yo, what's up? How much for yourself?
And Valerie's here. And are you kidding me? They have their own walk-in closet, little makeup area. Super cute. But yeah. That's their door, and this is the other side of the balcony that I just showed you. My dad just pulled these out of his suitcase. He brought us little Christmas trees and some little balls to put on, and a star, of course, and little tiny ornaments. So cute. I'm so excited. Our Christmas in Jamaica is officially Christmas. Okay, we just signed up for dinner Christmas Eve around the pool, but now we're at the buffet part. Ooh, it's so fancy in here. Get some food. I am starving. I love all the little Christmas details they have. They had a big Christmas tree in the front, and the staff is wearing Christmas hats. Super cute. Good morning from the beautiful Jamaica. We just finished up breakfast over there. Now we're probably gonna take some pictures and swim, but it is such a beautiful day right now. I have the beach behind me and the sun is out. It is a good day so far. We're just gonna go change into our bathing suits and get into the pool. They have a really cool like water park thing here that I think we're gonna try today. Seriously, I can't get over this view though. We have the beach, we have the greenery. There's a little like Christmas sign right there, and we have the gazebo. So beautiful today. All right, we're back at like the main pool area off the lobby. Now during the day, last night was a little bit dark, but it looks so beautiful. All right, we made it to the beach. Oh. The water feels so good. It's such a perfect temperature. Okay, we're just exploring this little pier. It's so pretty. The water is such a beautiful, like, greenish color. All right, my brother and I are about to go on the water park part. I'm so excited. So this is a huge lazy river that goes all the way around, but we're gonna go up into these slides. So excited. Oh, look at his broken foot or whatever. Oh, it's cold. All right, ready?
3, 2, 1.
My sister and I were just playing the ocean, and the ocean is warmer than this water. But they both feel really good, but I don't like when the ocean's too warm, so it's perfect. This little area over here has some giant checkers and chess, playground, mini golf. That's cool.
I challenge you guys.
Pretty cool. here's this little cafe that serves coffee 24 hours and slushies and little baby ice creams that are so cute. This is all inclusive, so like all the drinks and the food is free. Like we technically already paid for it, but we are using it up anyway. Got your ice cream. So cute. Okay, we are wrapping up our first day. Got a drink, got some sun. It's such a good time. Now we're just gonna head up to the room, kind of relax for a little bit, chill, and then get ready for dinner. Then that will complete day 1 in Jamaica. It's been so much fun. I feel like we just went and explored and kind of got to really know the place today. So I think it was a pretty successful day. So anyways, I'm gonna go get ready for dinner now. I just cannot get over how beautiful this place is. This is my type of white Christmas. White beaches. We made it to dinner. Cheers. Cheers. To our Christmas vacation. Okay, so we're eating this little spinach puff, and it's interesting because a lot of the portions here are a lot smaller because Americans like over portion their food sizes. What do you guys think? But it looks really good. Jerk chicken, some snapper. What did you get?
I got the fettuccine pasta with chicken and garlic.
Look at this cone of
I got the potato fountain.
potato. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I am so excited to eat. Oh, he's taking a picture of my jerk chicken. You have to have jerk chicken if you're coming to Jamaica. Okay, we are stuffed from dinner. That was an exhausting day.
Yeah.
We got a little color. I was surprised, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed this first Jamaica video. There is definitely more to come. We're going to be doing some more fun things this week. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.